started that.
Do you want to go to the pub?
Why are you trying to get me to the pub?
Do you want to go to the pub, I'm saying?
Yeah, but why?
Because I want to go.
Please help me with the dishes.
Hey, Mommy,
Yeah.
you're 40, and I'm 4.
Okay.
And so you are older than me, and so I think you can do it by yourself. I believe in you. I believe in you, Mom.
I can do the dishes myself.
Yeah.
They literally went out of their way with our tax dollars to make a biking lane right there. And I got these guys on the middle of the road. Come on.